the hills and far away, Teletubbies come to play.
1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4.
4. Yay!
Teletubbies!
Time for Teletubbies! Time for Teletubbies!
Tinky Winky,
Tinky Winky!
Dipsy,
Dipsy!
Laa-Laa,
Laa-Laa!
Ho,
Ho!
Teletubbies, Teletubbies, say hello.
Big hug! Big hug!
Where have the Teletubbies gone?
Tinky Winky! Tinky Winky! Dipsy! Laa-Laa! Oh. Tinky Winky!
Okay, everyone, let's play a game. I got an idea. Who wants to play hide and seek? All right, Millie, you go count and we'll go hide. You ready? Let's hide.
I count to 10. I like playing hide and seek. I'm hiding from Millie. 8, 9, 10. I'm coming to find you. She can't find me. She can't find me.
Oh no! They found us!
Found you! Oh, you found me! Good hiding place, Joshua. We found everyone.
We found them all. Well done. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Oh. 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 Again. Again.
We're playing hide and seek. I'm hiding from Millie. She can't find me. Found you! Good hiding place, Joshua.
One day in Teletubbyland, Laa-Laa was looking at the flowers.
Oh, Laa-Laa, look at the flowers.
Laa-Laa could see the red flowers.
The red flowers?
Laa-Laa could see the purple flowers.
Ah, purple flowers.
What lovely flowers.
Lovely flowers.
Uh-oh, Laa-Laa.
Oh, Tinky Winky.
Tinky Winky was standing in front of the red flowers.
Huh? Oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Laa-Laa couldn't see the red flowers.
Laa-Laa can't see the red flowers.
So Laa-Laa asked Tinky Winky to move out of the way.
Oh.
Laa-Laa asked Tinky Winky to move out the way. Tinky Winky,
Yes?
can you move out the way, please?
Pardon?
Tinky Winky, move out the way, please.
Ah, Tinky Winky, move away.
It does.
But then Tinky Winky was standing in front of the purple flowers.
Ah.
Oh. Uh-oh. Tinky Winky in front of the purple flowers.
Uh-oh.
Laa-Laa couldn't see the purple flowers.
Oh, Laa-Laa can't see the purple flowers.
So Laa-Laa asked Tinky Winky to move out of the way again.
Laa-Laa asked Tinky Winky to move out the way again. Tinky Winky,
Yes?
move out the way again. Again.
Pardon?
Tinky Winky, move out the way again. Please.
Ah, Tinky Winky, move away.
Ah.
Oh.
Ah.
But now Tinky Winky was standing in front of the red flowers again.
Oh.
Oh no.
Uh-oh.
In front of the red flowers again.
Oh,
Oh no, Tinky Winky.
Ow, no.
Oh no, Tinky Winky.
Tinky Winky moved here
Oh,
Oh.
oh, no,
and there. Tinky Winky was hiding the flowers from Laa-Laa.
Ah, Tinky Winky was hiding the flower.
Hidey flowers. No flowers. Laa-Laa can't see flowers.
But Laa-Laa could see her friend Tinky Winky.
Oh. Uh-oh, Laa-Laa.
Oh, Laa-Laa see Tinky Winky.
And Laa-Laa loves Tinky Winky.
Laa-Laa loves Tinky Winky. Tinky Winky,
Laa-Laa.
big hug.
Ah, big hug. Oh, big hug.
Time for Tubby bye-bye. Time for Tubby bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Tinky Winky.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Dipsy.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Laa-Laa.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Po.
Bye-bye.
Boo! Boo!
No.
No.
Bye-bye, Teletubbies.
Bye-bye.
The sun is setting in the sky. Teletubbies say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.